Next is a matrix match question. Now let's start with option number P, which says that last digit of 8 factorial, as it contains both 5 and 2, so its last digit will be 0, and last digit of 3 raised to the power 973, as 973 is of the form 4 lambda plus 1, so we can say that its last digit will be 3, which means that option number 1 is correct, right? Now option number Q, it have been given that 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to the power 4 and so on is equal to summation r equal to 0 to n x raised to the power r. We have to find the value of n, and it can be seen that n is highest power of x, that is n is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 and so on up till 128. We know that 128 is 2 raised to the power 7. So this is in GP with common ratio r equal to 2. So that will be equal to 2 raised to the power 8 minus 1 divided by 1. So that will be equal to 256 minus 1, that is 255. So making its factors, this will be equal to 5 multiplied with 51, that is equal to 5 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 17. So we can say that it is divisible by 3, 5 and 17. So 3, 5 and 17, which means that option number 1, 4 and 5 are correct. Option number R says that 20C5 minus 20C6 plus 20C7 and so on up to minus 20C20 is divisible by. We have to find its value. Now we know that 20C0 minus 20C1 and so on up till 20C20. Here we are taking alternative signs, so its sum is equal to 0. So we can say that the value of minus 20C5 plus 20C6 and so on up till 20C20 will be equal to minus 20C0 plus 20C1 minus 20C2 plus 20C3 minus 20C4. So we have to find its value. Now this will be equal to minus 1 plus 20 minus 20 into 19 upon 2, that is 190, plus 20C3, that is 20 into 19 into 18 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6, minus 20C4, that is 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 divided by 4 factorial, that is 24. So this is equal to 19 minus 190 plus 19 into 60 minus, cancelling by 4 we will get 5 and here 6. So here we will get 3. So this is equal to 15 into 19 into 17. So here it can be seen that 19 can be taken common. So we have 1 minus 10 plus 60 minus 15 into 17. So this is further equal to 19 times minus 9 plus taking 15 common, we will get 4 minus 17. So this will be equal to 19 times minus 9 plus 15 into minus 13. So solving this, we will get it equal to minus 2 square into 3 into 17 into 19. Now it can be seen that it is divisible by 3, 2, 4, 17 and 19, which means that answer is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Option. Now let us solve the last option, that is S, which says that if the ratio of the constant term and the coefficient of x raised to the power 15 in the expansion of x square plus 2 by x whole raised to the power 15 is 2 raised to the power k, then we have to find the value of k. Now its general term can be written as 15cr into x square raised to the power 15 minus r multiplied with 2 by x raised to the power r. To find the constant term, we will put 30 minus 2r minus r, that is minus 3r. To find the constant term, we will put it equal to 0, that is value of r is equal to 10. Now To find the coefficient of x raised to the power 15, we will put 30 minus 3r equal to 15. So we will get r equal to 5. So the ratio will be equal to, firstly let's put r equal to 10. We will get 15 C10 multiplied with 2 raised to the power 10 divided by, put r equal to 5. We will get 15 C5 multiplied with 2 raised to the power 5. Now these two are same, so can get cancelled. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power 5, which means that k equals 5. That is option number 4 is correct. So from the given options, it can be seen that option number B is the correct answer. Next is question number 52, which says that in option number P, if T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 are first 5 terms of an AP, then we have to find the value of this term. Now, as these are 5 terms of an AP, so we can assume the terms as A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on up till A plus 4D. Right? So we will find the value, that is 4 times T1 minus T2 minus T4, that is minus A minus 3D, plus 6 times T3, that is A plus 2D, plus T5, that is A plus 4D, divided by T1, that is A. We have to find its value. So this is equal to, coefficient of A will be 6A plus A, that is 7A, minus 4A, that is 3A, and coefficient of D will be minus 16D plus 12D plus 4D, that is 0, and any constant term? No. Divided by A, so this is equal to 3. So its value is equal to 3. That is option number 2 is correct. Now next is Q, where we have to find the value of summation k going from 1 to infinity, summation n going from 1 to infinity, k divided by 2 raised to the power n plus k is less than or equal to. Now summation k equal to 1 to infinity, the terms of k can be taken out, that is k divided by 2 raised to the power k multiplied with summation n going from 1 to infinity, 1 by 2 raised to the power n. Now let's find this summation first. Now this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square and so on up till infinity. So its sum will be equal to a upon 1 minus r, that is 1 by 2. So its summation will be equal to 1. So we are left with summation k equal to 1 to infinity k divided by 2 raised to the power k. Now to solve this, let's take it equal to s, that is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 square plus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 3 and so on. And let's write s by 2, that will be equal to 1 by 2 square plus 2 by 2 cube and so on up till infinity. If we subtract these two equations, we will get s by 2 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 cube and so on. So this is again a GP with common ratio 1 by 2. So its sum will be equal to a divided by 1 minus half, that is equal to 1. So the value of s will be equal to 2. So we can say that it is less than or equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here only it can be seen that option number A is the correct answer. Now still let's solve option number R, which says that if Tn denotes nth term of the HP from the beginning such that T2 upon T6 is equal to 9, then the value of T5 upon T12 is divisible by. So we are given T2 divided by T6 is equal to 9 and we have to find T5 divided by T12. Let us say the terms of the HP are 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, similarly 1 by A plus 2D and so on. Let us say this is the HP. So second term is 1 upon A plus D divided by 1 upon A plus 5D. So this is equal to 9, which means that A plus 5D divided by A plus D is equal to 9. So we have A plus 5D is equal to 9A plus 9D that is 8a plus 4d is equal to 0. So we have 2a equal to minus d. So this is the relation that we get from here. Now we can find easily the value of T5 divided by T12, that will be equal to 1 upon a plus 4d divided by 1 upon a plus 11d, that is equal to a plus 11d divided by a plus 4d. So this is equal to a plus 11 times d can be written as minus 2a divided by a plus 4 times minus 2a. So this is equal to 1 minus 22, that is minus 21, divided by 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. So this will be equal to 3. So we have its value equal to 3. Now 3 is divisible by 3 and 1, which means that option number 2 and 6 are the correct choice. Next we have option number S, which says that the value of 2 upon 1 cube plus 6 upon 1 cube plus 2 cube and so on, we have to find up to infinity. So this question can be solved directly by writing the nth term. Its nth term will be equal to n multiplied with n plus 1 divided by the sum up till nth term, that is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So solving this, we will get 4 divided by n into n plus 1, which further can be equal to 4 times 1 by n minus 1 upon n plus 1. So this is nth term. So sum of nth term will be equal to 4 multiplied with 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1, because all the rest of the terms will get cancelled. So we can say that when n tends to infinity, so its sum will be equal to 4, which means that it is less than or equal to 4, 5, 6. That is the correct answer is 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that option number A is the correct answer. Next is question number 53, in which P option is given to us, that is fx is equal to 2 times mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 5. So we have to find f dash 4 and f dash 6. When x is equal to 4, we can say fx will be equal to 2x minus 6 plus 5 minus 6. That is the value of f dash 4 will be equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. At x equal to 6, the value of fx will be equal to 2x minus 6 plus x minus 5. So f dash 6 will be equal to 3. So we can say that the sum of these two will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. So option number 1 is correct. Now option number Q says that we have to find the number of points where fx equal to x square multiplied with modulus of x square minus 2x plus sine square mod of x minus 1. We have to find its number of points of non-differentiability. Here we have to check at 0 and 2. Now it can be seen that 0 is a repeated root, so no need to check at x equal to 0, and x equal to 2 is a point of non-differentiability. Now here for sine square mod x minus 1, we know that sine square t is always differentiable, so it is differentiable at x equal to 1. So only one point is there, that is x equal to 2, where the function is not differentiable. So number of points is 1, which means that answer is option number 2. Now next is option number R, where it have been given that fx is equal to x cube plus 4x divided by 2 whole GIF. Now we have to find that it is discontinuous at which points. It is very clear that it will be discontinuous at those points where x is even integer. So from the given options, it can be seen that it will be discontinuous at 4, 2 and 0, which means that answer will be 1, 3 and 4. Now option number S says that the tangents from 2, 0 to the curve y equal to x square plus 3 meet the curve at x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then we have to find x1 plus x2. Now we know that for any two points, let's say T1 and T2, and if the tangents at meeting at point Q, then the coordinates of Q will be AM of T1 and T2, comma GM of T1 and T2. So here it can be seen that 2 will be equal to AM, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So we can say that directly the value of x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. So we can say that answer 1 is the correct choice. So from the given options, it can be seen that option number A is correct. Now last is question number 54. Here let's discuss option number P first, where it has been given that the line y equal to mx touches or lies outside the circle x square plus y square minus 10y plus 16 equal to 0, where m is an integer, then the value of m can be. Now it has been given that the line lies outside or touches this circle, which means that the distance of the center from the line, that is D, should be greater than the radius of the circle, right? So let's write the equation of circle in the standard format, that is x square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 9. So the distance from the center will be equal to 5 divided by under root of 1 plus m square should be greater than radius, that is 3. That is 1 plus m square under root is less than 5 by 3. That is 1 plus m square is less than 25 by 9. That is m square is less than 16 by 9. That is m will belong from minus 4 by 3 up till 4 by 3. As m is an integer, so m can be equal to minus 1, 0 or 1. So from the given options, it can take these two values. So answer will be option number 1 or 2. Now option number Q, it says that the x coordinate of the points on the axis of the parabola from which all three normals to the parabola are real can be. Now if we talk about a standard parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax, then this condition can be obtained when x is greater than 2a. Now for the given parabola here, that is y minus 3 whole square minus 2x plus 3 minus 9, that is minus 6 equal to 0. So taking it on right hand side, we will get 2x plus 6, that is equal to 2 times x plus 3. So here we can say that x plus 3 should be greater than 1, that is x should be greater than minus 2. So from the given options, it can be seen that all the 4 options can be true. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's discuss option number R, which says that the length of latest rectum of an ellipse is 1/3 of the major axis. If its eccentricity is e, then we have to find 3e square. Now the length of latest rectum is 2b square by a. It is given to be equal to 1/3 of major axis, that is 2a. So 2 will get cancelled. We will have b square divided by a square equal to 1 by 3. Now we know that e square is equal to 1 minus b square upon a square, that is 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by 3. So we can say that 3e square is equal to 2. So the answer will be option number 3. So from the given options, here only we can see that only C option is matching with our options, right? So still let us solve option number S, which says that if k number of tangents can be drawn to a hyperbola from its center, then k is equal to, it's very simple, from the center of the hyperbola we cannot draw even a one tangent. So the value of k will be equal to 0. So answer will be option number 1. So this is all about the AIATS 8A paper 2. I hope all your queries have been solved. Thank you.